Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the KingSpec ONEBOOM Templar DDR5 RAM, a kit designed to elevate your gaming desktop's performance. This particular kit comes with 32 gigabytes, configured as two 16 gigabyte sticks, running at a speedy 6,000 megahertz. Right out of the box, the aesthetics are striking. The silver X-shaped heatsink not only looks fantastic, but also plays a crucial role in heat dissipation, ensuring stable performance during those intense gaming sessions. And for those who love to personalize their rigs, the RGB lighting is a welcome addition, offering vibrant colors and effects that can be synced with other components using ASUS AuraSync and Mystic Light. But let's get down to what really matters: performance. The KingSpec ONEBOOM boasts a CL46 latency and operates at 1.35V. While the latency might not be the absolute lowest on the market, the 6,000 MHz speed more than makes up for it, delivering snappy response times and improved overall system performance. Installation was a breeze, and the one-click overclocking feature is a godsend for those who want to squeeze every last drop of performance out of their RAM without diving into complex BIOS settings. During testing, the KingSpec ONEBOOM handled everything thrown at it with ease, from demanding AAA games to content creation tasks. Frame rates were consistently high, and multitasking felt incredibly smooth. KingSpec is clearly targeting gamers, designers, and DIY enthusiasts with this kit, and it hits the mark. The combination of speed, capacity, and aesthetics makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade to DDR5. It's also worth noting that KingSpec backs this RAM with a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support, providing peace of mind and demonstrating their confidence in the product's reliability. In conclusion, the KingSpec ONEBOOM Templar DDR5 RAM is a solid performer that offers a great balance of speed, style, and reliability. If you're in the market for a DDR5 upgrade, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.